Hello, my dear students and all my viewers. Today I have brought the explanation of first part of chapter number 3, his first flight. This is from class 10th. So before I begin, I welcome you all to my channel, and my channel name is Easy English Education. I am completely sure that you all are taking great benefits out of it and hopeful that I will bring more and more chapters. So let's begin the chapter number 3, the first part, his first flight. This is the story of a young seagull who was very much scared to take his first flight. And this has been written by Liam O'Flaherty. He is an Irish novelist and short story writer and written this beautiful story. So let's begin. This story is about the young seagull. Seagulls are the seabirds who are found near the seashores. Let's have some information about some new words. Ledge. Ledge means a narrow horizontal projection. Brink means edge. And flap means to move the wings up and down. Some more new words. Expanse means wide continuous area. Expansion we always say. Stretch means extend, and beneath means at a lower level. So the story begins when a young seagull was left alone on his ledge. You can see the picture of ledge. Now ledge means narrow horizontal projection from a vertical surface. So he could see his family members on the other side. His brothers and sisters had already flown away. So he was feeling very much desperate and hopeless. And he came to the brink of the ledge. Means he came at the borderline of the ledge. But he could not take the plunge. Because he attempted to flap his wings, but every time whenever he did, he was very much scared. He could not do. And he became so much scared because of the great expanse of the sea stretched down. He could see the wide sea and the flowing water. And he was completely sure that his wings would not support him. You know, when you think that you can't do, definitely you can't do. So he bent his head and slept in the hole under the ledge. 24 hours he did not have any food. And the next day, it was although a beautiful day, but not really beautiful for him, because he had been hungry for 24 hours and he was very much upset. He could see his family members on the other side, but he was so helpless. Some more new words are muster up means to gather, desperate means hopeless, shrilly means high pitched, scold, we always hear the word scold means rebuke, and threaten means terrorize, starve means to be foodless, and unless means if not. So his brothers and sisters ran to the brink and flew away. The previous day only they had gone to the other side, they took the risk. But he failed to acquire courage and take the plunge. Plunge means just to take the jump, and taking the risk of jump. He was not at all ready, and his father and mother scolded him a lot. They were shrilly making noises from the other side, but he could not move and he could not take the risk. So the result, he was completely starving. Devour means to swallow. Crackle means to cry. Plateau means elevated plane. And cowardice means lack of courage. These are some new words you need to learn. Skim means to go or move quickly over a surface. You can see in the picture that is skimming. So, when his parents were teaching his brothers and sister the art of flight, he could only see them hopelessly. He could not go like them. And his brother caught his first herring. Herring is a kind of fish. So he was just looking at them, and his parents gave a proud crackle on his brother's success. So he was feeling really very much helpless. You can see the picture of plateau, the sea level, then the plain, and mountain level. It's so high but flat on the surface. Now, ascend means to rise. Blazing means burn brightly. Scrap means the piece. Gnaw means to bite at. Trot means run at the moderate pace. And daintily, in a careful manner. Sheer means very steep, and crack means split. So, in this picture, you can see the mother was looking at the bird and feeling very much pity. Mother is after all a mother. She was helpless. She thought that what she should do. So, what did she do? Finally, the mother bird took a fish and started tearing it into pieces. And seeing the food, the little bird became mad completely. He was desperate. He wanted to have food, but he could not take the risk of taking the plunge in the air. So he could only see his mother tearing the pieces of fish. Finally, when he saw his mother coming towards him, and she came very near the bird, but she did not give it to him directly. And it was so near that he had to finally take a plunge, take a jump in the air. So finally, the bird took his first flight, taking the risk for the food because he was dying of hunger. So when he was almost falling down, he flapped his wings and he started soaring high. He started flying high. So this is what, if you take the risk, you get success. So his family members were very happy. They started cheering up for him. And when the bird touched the water, they all rewarded him with the dogfish. The pieces of dogfish was the reward of his first flight. So this is what the story is telling about. When you take the risk in your life, you always face some problems and hurdles, but ultimately you get success. So hopefully this short but beneficial explanation is going to be quite helpful to you. Thank you. Thank you so much.